Wow, so many colors. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Wow, so many colors. Yes, silver color. Kids, the next one is yes, orange color. And the next one is Persian blue color. Yes, dark pink color. Stay with us. The next one is red color, light green color, blue color, blue color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Yes, brown color, yellow color. Yes, sky blue color, light pink color. And the next one is black color. Stay with us. The next one is dark green color. And the last one is white color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. The next one is M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets.